Premier BioDip procedure video. Carefully inspect the foil pouch to ensure there are no tears, cuts, or damage to the packaging. Check the lot number and expiration date. Remove the dip card from the sealed pouch. Hand the collection cup to the donor and request they provide the urine specimen. Next, remove the cap from the Premier BioDip to expose the strips. The strips on the Premier BioDip are hermetically sealed inside a protective, flood-proof plastic cover. With the arrows pointing toward the urine specimen, immerse the sample tips vertically in the specimen. The Premier BioDip has walk-away capabilities, even when submerged in the sample. This allows the collector to leave the Premier BioDip submerged in the sample, or the cap may be replaced. The Premier BioDip may contain multiple drugs per strip, followed by the individual drug test strips. Make sure that the top control line is visible for all test strips. Otherwise, the test is invalid and the results must not be used. Two lines appearing, as seen in this example, show a negative result. Negative results may be read as soon as the top control line and the bottom test line appear. Any test line, regardless of the intensity, color, or size, is a line and indicates a negative result. It is normal for line intensities to vary for different drug strips. An inconclusive result, as seen in this example, is indicated by only the top control line present and the absence of a bottom test line. Read inconclusive results at 5 minutes. The Premier BioDip may come with specimen validity testing. The Premier BioDip specimen validity test is based on the color response of chemical indicators in the presence of adulterants. Specimen validity tests help to determine the integrity of a urine sample. Read the specimen validity test results by visually comparing the color of the reagent pads to the corresponding color blocks on the specimen validity color chart at 3 to 5 minutes. Results are stable for up to 60 minutes. This concludes the Premier BioDip procedure video.